got that G, got my nullos. I'm just saying. We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
The journey starts today.
So hello, I'm Saudi and I'm back for another video, and I hope you guys are having a good time and welcome to my channel. Simple. Period. You guys know how we do it. So how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below. It's been a while. It's been a while. Anyway, this is what I'm wearing before this video starts. Because I've been running a lot lately, you know, trying to save some money on transportation because of them bills, honey. Inflation. Woo. Anyway, how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below. So today I'll be doing a review of something special.
follow me. If you ask me to.
Guys, so many of you guys know when it comes to grooming, I don't play with my grooming, but I've been using this for a while. This Christina Adiglia alcohol-free deodorant stick. I've been using this for over 10-15 years. I've been using this and I love it. It smells it smells fabulous, but it's expensive, and most of the time, especially as a hairstylist and having my own salon studio, I noticed that when this runs out, when it gets to this point, the efficacy goes, once it gets to this point, the efficacy goes out the window. So I decided to find something else as a supplement to this. Now this is out of stock right now on Amazon, but it's my favorite of all time, and I decided, why don't I find another deodorant, especially as a hairstylist, something like economical that works. And right now I don't have money to buy my perfumes because of bills and all that stuff. You know, COVID pandemic affected business a lot. It has affected business a lot. So I've decided, right now I don't have perfumes. I just have this babyish, this is what I have. Body mist, broom couple, Tommy Bahama, this kind of Victoria's Forever 21 kind of baby perfume, fragrance stuff.
What's so funny?
So in today's video, I'll show you guys the new deodorant that I have been using. It's amazing, guys. If whatever gender you are, you need this. It works so well. I could not believe my eyes. Now it's called Mid-Chum Triple Odor Defense, and it's shower fresh antiperspirant deodorant. Guys, when they said 48-hour protection, they ain't fucking lying. It is, ooh, honey. When I shower, dress up, shower, and go to the salon, I just go this way. Especially during the summer. Right now, it's the summer for us here in Massachusetts. So when I like the cold, I love the fall and the winter. So the summer, once it's above 70 degrees, I'm already crying. When I run a little, I'm sweating. I'm very energetic. So I needed something that can withstand that, so I don't sweat all over the place and feel, you know, because I'm tired of showering like 3-4 times a day.
Call on me.
I realized at that point,
Everything that hurts you hurts me too.
Just because of the heat, you know, and I found this on Amazon. It's called the Mid-Chum Women Triple Odor Defense. They may have the male one, I don't know, but for me, perfumes and women deodorant works for me, or unisex. Men's perfume, that's what I used to call it, but I just found out that it's called cologne for men. Oh boy. The smell chokes me. I love it on my men, but not on me. Like, ooh, you know, Like if you smell that on me, know that I just had sex. If you smell a male cologne on me, know that I just had sex and the men's walked all over my body. I'm crazy, I'm stupid, I ain't that. Anyway, get back to this. So if you're a hairstylist, if you're someone working in the service industry, you're looking for something that can protect you, and you're like, oh, I've used all of them, they don't work. Try this, guys. The Mitchum Triple Auto Defense, the iron line. This stuff works so good. You can still sweat, but it's just amazing. And I wanted to share you that this is my new secret. When I'm at the salon, perfume now, I can use that baby perfume because I'm still smelling fabulous. Like I don't need to use my expensive perfume that I cannot afford right now, because once this is how this works. So when you open it, the color is already cute. You guys know. So you go, you spin. When you spin, it comes out with these bubbles. You see, it doesn't come out like the other one that had the block. It comes out like this. You see that jelly? I love this. So you can control the amount and you just go, you know, go like that. Baby, this, oh, and it's chilly. And guys, this stuff, if you're wearing a white cloth, you may have some kind of white glands like you had come on you, but it's not.
This ain't no allegedly.
So I've seen it on my skin when I pass it over my skin body, so I put it right on just the armpit itself, and it works phenomenal. You can still sweat, but you smell fabulous. You don't have body odor. You guys know when you get to a certain age, you're meant to have body odor. You don't have that, and this helps with that. So even if you're just experiencing puberty, adolescence, you need this. Like, it works so well. So if you're looking for something, a deodorant to start using that will protect you from smelling around your friends, your colleagues, when you're doing a shampooing a guest, you guys, hairstylists, you all know what I'm talking about. Assistants, you all know what I'm talking about. So you've worked with people where you're like, wait, that's a stylist, and they just pass on, you're like, that smell. Or even in the restaurants, McDonald's, food restaurant, you're like, what's that smell? And then the boss may call you guys to the back, who smells that? You guys should start using deodorant. I've been in such experience where the person working with me had that smell, and they called us all because we were of the same race. And I was like, are you kidding me right now? I just got humiliated because of someone else,
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that. Let's move on.
So, well, since then the person started using products, but in order for you never to have such experience and be mortified, this works phenomenal. And ladies, you want your man, you know what I'm saying. When it's time for and you're looking for a deodorant after showering, you need something to just add that little to it. This smell, oh fuck me, it's so good. I'm not saying this because I want you guys to, this is not an ad, I'm not paid for this, but you guys know from time to time when I find something that is amazing, I share it with you guys. Go find this beer, it's so good, it's so good. I'm sorry, the smell, I'm sorry, you can't go wrong with this, you just cannot. Well, at this point, I cannot waste that, right? So I'll just put it there. Okay, yes. It's so, I don't have to spray my back, my front, my side after doing deodorant. When I use the other one, I just do this, and spray up now. So it saves me, it saves my perfume. Whenever I have a perfume, it will save it. I won't be using much of it. I love this. And that's just because I love to spray a lot. Like, it's just me. But yeah, if you're looking for a new deodorant and you're looking for something new in the market, go try this. I love this. The active, oh, it doesn't have zirconium. That's good.
Ooh.
I'm looking at the ingredients. I love this because this has no zirconium and stuff like that. This has water. It has, they share similarities when it comes to the ingredients, but it's alcohol free also. Anyway, I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video. Please go out there and get one of these. It works so well. It works so well. It protects you against heat, stress and motion. Oh, that's why it works the way. Oh, that makes sense now. So if you're a hairstylist and you're looking for a deodorant, I got you. I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video. I'm from Saturday and DAWSON Studios. This bitch is out, or this queen is out. Bye guys. We don't sweat now, we glow.
Cause I'm loving myself real good.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
In a way that you never could.